Hello, you are welcome to Smart Currency Traders. We trade forex, binary option, cryptocurrency. In this video, I want to show you our top trading robots and their performance. You can come to our website and see some of their performance here. We have some other thing here, but that is not what I really want to discuss now. You can come to our site and really navigate through. But what I want to show us now is some of the results. So these are some of the results of our robots, but you might say some of them are a little late. So we can still come and click on this to see some other ones here. Are you getting it? But I want to enter into the VPS to show you, and if you want to get them, you can just any of them, you can just come to our contact page and see direction on how to get them. So I want to go direct into the VPS to show you their live, how they are really working. So I want to start with the one we call conservative. This is a conservative robot. We have three sets of robots. We have conservative, we have moderate, and we have aggressive. This is a conservative robot. We started some few days ago. Are you getting a trace in the night, and it just trades. It can be used for some small amount. This one started with $135, now it's $148. Can run on small account, so it picks small trade, and it's always very. This one can give you around between 30% and 80%. Sometimes it doubles the account in a month, but it does its things gradually. Then we have this one also. This one too is also a conservative robot. You could see that it starts this trading you are seeing started on 11th of August. So within 3 weeks it has been able to make $62.53. So this is also started 500 and is now this. This is also a conservative robot. You see that it just plays one trade. It just it can be used for small, medium accounts, and it's still one of our conservative. Then we have a moderate robot. This is a moderate robot. This one has both moderate and aggressive. It can be set to work as an aggressive robot, and you could see it started trading around ending of this thing, and we set it to be moderate. That's why you are seeing it making this around 1 month. It has made this, so which is around 40%. So this one can still be set to make 100% and even above per month. Then we have our aggressive robots. This one is always aggressive. This one can double your account in a month and even done more than that. So this one, you see that it's bringing many trades and run many trades at every time. So we have this set of robots, and they are best among best. We are sure of them working well. We have tested them and we are seeing them working well. So if you really want to get any of them, you can just come to our site and you can see them. You can see how to go about it here. We are selling our robot $100, which is still very good compared to what this kind of robot goes for. Some of them are $750. Some of them are $2,500. You even get some that are even not working very well, and they are having great price on them. So you can always check on us to get these robots. Thank you very much.